Hi. My tip of the day for all energy workers is to release your beliefs and truths about what other people are entitled to do in their life. One of the things that I've found after doing this for so many years is that I'm incredibly lucky. Maybe it's because I've got GPs in the family and medical doctors and people, but people are always at the spot in their life that they're at. Many times by the time people are seeing a healer, kinesiologist, naturopath, acupuncturist, whoever they are coming to us for healing. They're not coming to us for judgment. They're not coming to us for any other reason than to be a better person on the planet. So I think I'm incredibly lucky and blessed that I have always been able to look beyond what people are saying and sort of go, okay, so why is it that they have done that thing in their past? Why is it that they have, where is it in their family history? Where is it in their genetic line? What is going on in their diet? What is going on with their medications? There's nearly always something in the background that puts people in a space where they need help as human beings and where they may not be living up to their absolute best potential. So, tip of the day is judgment. Try starting to let go of it. At the end of every day, start visualizing all of your clients as being in the best space they can possibly be. Have a great day.